I'm sorry, I know I'm not doing the startup to start the video for you guys, but the bike is stock. It doesn't sound that good. Not yet, at least. I did buy an exhaust, but I don't know if I updated you guys before, but I got informed. Yeah, I think I already told you guys, but yeah, I got informed that they have to make the exhaust, so it's gonna take 4 to 6 weeks just to make the exhaust for this bike, because it's not a common bike. So yeah, it takes a sec for them to make it, and then they're gonna ship in all that. But if you guys saw last video, I had that error code. Now it's good. So apparently what was happening is that this was a little too low, and there's a plus sign right here and there's a minus right there. So apparently, like, when I'm like clutching in, it was like a little low for whatever reason, and they said it might have like touched the plus and minus, and the minus apparently could deactivate your ABS, and when that gets deactivated, it will deactivate your traction control and wheelie control. Even though I did make sure my ABS was active when I was trying to turn on my traction control and wheel control and stuff like that, but I don't know. That's what they said, because they said they tried resetting the light and it kept coming back up until they raised the handlebar a little bit, and that's when it got solved. But either way, I'm just glad that the light is gone, because my OCD did not like that kind of like service light or whatever on there. It was bothering me, and that's mainly why I wanted to fix. I really didn't care that much about the traction and wheel control, but now that I've fixed, I feel much better, especially because, you know, the bike is literally brand new. I'm not even at 400 miles yet. Bikers communicate like cavemen, I swear. And yeah, I'm sorry that I'm not running the S1000 M package. I know you guys want me to ride it. I just got this bike for the channel, but I don't know, man. When it's locked, it's not fun at all. Like, especially when I rode it that same day when I got it, it just was not fun at all, especially because of how restricted it is. This bike is definitely way more fun to ride, especially right now, since, you know, that bike is locked and restricted. But as soon as I break in, or he breaks in this bike, because I'm letting him ride it mainly, then I'll hop on the S1000 and do a proper, like, you know, review thoughts, even though I've ridden a lot of them, but still. Oh boy, this bike is gonna give me a lot of anxiety until it's fully done. Oh my god, I need GP shift like ASAP. I kind of really want to take this bike to the track. I wonder if I should take this bike or the R1M to my next track day. Maybe the S1000, I don't know, one of these bikes. Nah, I don't think I'll take the S1000. I feel like it's not going to be as much fun as this or the R1M. I'm really excited to get my Rizoma stealth mirrors. I think they're going to look really cool on this bike, especially because I really don't like these OEM mirrors. And I have so much carbon fiber coming for this bike. The sad part is that this is going to take forever to put an exhaust on this bike. This exhaust doesn't look or sound too bad, you know, but still, it's gonna be definitely annoying. And also, I gotta tune the bike when I put the air filter and exhaust on it. I wonder how the bike is gonna feel when it's all tuned, because it's already like really fast and aggressive. So, but I do feel like a little bit of a flat spot, low in the RPMs, so definitely excited for that. Oh, a big Ducati trailer. That's 720 though. I knew it. That's why I went slow. I was like, he's probably gonna want to go in here. Is that a V4R? It looks like a V4R. Wait, it has a new... I am not sure. What is... Yeah, it is a V4R. Ooh la la. That's 720 though. The OGs remember when I raced one of those on my R1M. The R1M is the slowest bike in the garage and still destroyed it. Sorry, but supercars don't really compare with super bikes. I remembered. I also like filmed a review driving that car. Nice car, not my cup of tea. Oh, also my lesson plate flew off on the way here, so I got it properly mounted this time. The little paper plate I'm not gonna lie, the NRC tail tidy doesn't look the best on this bike. Definitely seen better looking ones. It's not as clean as the other bikes. What the hell is that exhaust? We were at the Dainese store. I don't even remember when I stopped filming. Did I stop filming at the Dainese store? Yeah, I think so. When I was cleaning the helmet and the gear, they have this like ozone chamber, and we ran into a friend. We always run into him when we come to the Ducati dealership, and he ended up getting a V4 SP, so we're all like excited about it, and we decided to come by here just to, you know, check out the bikes.
Did you get rid of your super sport?
Hey. Appreciate it, man.
Hey man, how are you?
I wanted to get an M1000, just the deal didn't work out. That's why I ended up getting this, and I was like, whatever, got this too. It's really fast. Didn't it? Yeah. Hey. Kay, nice to meet you. Yeah, it's definitely faster than I expected, and it has like 300 miles on it, so I actually like this duo, like these two bikes. They look clean together because they're both like clean black.
You have the same line in red?
Nah, it'll be a Ducati lookalike. I don't think it'll look good, but yeah, those bikes look pretty good together. They make the exact same horsepower, if I'm not wrong. Both of them are at 217. He does have electronic suspension though. This is like an equivalent to like the R, because it, you know, it's a race bike, no electronic suspension or any of that stuff. Clean, clean, clean.
What do you think? You like the 21 or the new 20?
Oh, this one for sure. I like the tank of the newer one, not the wings, and I don't like their new like design. I think the red on this bike is way nicer. Like it stops here. The other one I think goes all the way back, and they have lines here instead of like this one. Looks just altogether much better in my opinion. I like the new kind of like ducts in the bottom and the new tank design, but that's it. But you can, I don't know, like the newer ones supposedly like are better because they have a lot of like other changes to them, like they ride smoother, the gears are different, there's a lot of stuff like that, but I don't think it matters. I personally would go with this one for sure. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the new little wings. They don't, I don't see one here. Huh?
They don't send out as much as you think.
Exactly, yeah. I did not like the wings, but the wings are always replaceable, so whoever gets like the new SP, you can always get new wings. Yeah, but the new tank design I think looks really cool, and apparently it grips better too, but still I would choose this one. Oh yeah, because it has the newer ones are 270. They added 1.5 horsepower, 215.5, but pretty much same horsepower. And you have the nice rear sets. Yeah, this bike is nice. Yeah, gonna end the video right here. Appreciate you guys watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out and ride safe.